Konnichiwa! Today we are going to make tamagoyaki and onigiri. Tamagoyaki is a Japanese style omelette and onigiri is a rice ball with seasoning. Both of them are good choices for a bento or school lunch box. Right, let's start with our tamagoyaki first. We have finished making our tamagoyaki and now we are making the onigiri. Only 2 ingredients. One, of course, is the rice and sushi seasoning. Easy, isn't it? And I'm going to use this triangle mold to help me to shape the rice bowl. This is our tamagoyaki and also the onigiri with the seasoning. I've done this all in less than 15 minutes. It is really quick. So I'm going to assemble this one into my kids' lunchbox for school tomorrow. I've made my bento. It is so perfect for a busy mom. Well, if you like my video today, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channels. There will be videos updated every week. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.